Welcome to the class 6. In the last class, we upgrade our AI to implement the dynamic lot systems, but we face all these problems you can see on the screen. In this class, you will learn how to fix all these compilation problems. So here on the first problem, I will double click on it and then I will see the problem in this line. Okay, the problem is these are the double quotes and here is the single quote. That's the problem. I will simply convert these single quotes to double quotes and that's it. I will compile. Now there are 34 errors. Two errors are solved. These are very simple errors. Okay, so here are total 34 other errors. If I solve all these errors one by one, it may take my whole day. So the best part is how we can solve all these problems by the AI. I will simply right click on any problem and then select copy. Copy it and then I will go to the gem and here I will say I got this. Okay, and in the next line I will simply paste this line. So here is only one line pasted, but I want to get resolve all these errors at once. I will go back here. I will simply press the control button and select all these lines, multiple lines, including this line, and I will simply click all these lines, all these error lines. I think so it may take a few minutes for the AI to solve all these problems. Just to double check every problem is selected and then copy and then go to the gem. I will simply replace this single line. It just pasted all these errors and now it will understand the problems, make plan how to fix these problems, and after that the gem will verify his plan that if that plan will work or not. And once the AI agent makes sure everything is working fine, it will write the new updated code for us to copy paste. And here also the gem is explaining why these errors are here. And then here is the exact map of the route required: line 15, line 146, 148, 1456, 164, 178, 305, and skeptical analysis, and after analysis, pros and cons and everything, comparison, selection, pending action. Before approving, I must read these pros and cons and the solutions. Proceed. Wait, so let's see how it just resolve these problems. And once this button turns an arrow, this means the work by the agent is completed. Now again I will simply click on this copy code, go into the metadata, control A, remove everything, control V, and then styler, read the number of lines of the code, compile. Oh, okay. So still there are 12 problems. So only character code expected. So here the double colon is, and the next here is the problem. Instead of resolving all these problems one by one manually, I will simply again press and hold the control button and select all these lines, all these problems. Right click on it and then copy, go to the gem, fix all these errors, fix all these errors. Next line, I go to next line by pressing shift and enter at the same time, control V, and that's it. Submit. Again it will do analysis, verify the solutions, and then give me two options, that which option and their pros and cons, and then ask me to select which option is the best for developing an EA. Also here it is explaining the errors, and below here is the code Once this button turns into an arrow, this means the response is completed, and that's it. The response is completed. Here is the code. I will go up and simply copy it here, Control A, remove everything, Control V, style it, compile it, and oh my god, there are still two errors. I will simply Control press, and then this one, these two lines, copy, and then go to the gem, fix all these errors, Control V, and here I will simply click enter. Let's see. Most of the time, if your browser keeps stucking or not give proper response, you can simply uh, refresh the page. So before refreshing the page, let me make sure if it's updated or not. Here it just still have single quote, so means not updated. I will refresh the whole page. Most of the time, because of some connection problems, sometimes the AI agent disconnect from the models where the actual working is going on. So after refreshing, it just showed this new code where everything should be fixed. I will copy it, go here, Control A, Control V, style the code, compile the code, and when compiled, it gives these two errors. Only one character code expected, invalid property value, string expected. So I will manually solve this problem. I will add double quote, and here a double quote, delete this one, and then compile, and that's it. Congratulations. If you don't know how to fix any problems manually, you can simply give prompt like this. So I just write this command, fix all errors, and give me final code with zero error. Let's finish it. There must be no error in the code. Here you notice I forcefully say three times there must be no error. I can say there must be no error, write the code. But no, you must force the point where you want the AI to focus on it. Finally, our code is written here. Copy paste, go here, Control A, remove, Control V, style the code, compile the code, and that's it. Now, this is the final code written by our AI agent without any error. But what if there are some errors in the logic? For example, this EA start taking trades at the wrong points or maybe at the wrong signals, and maybe this year not follow the filtration system, maybe not calculate the lot size properly. And to fix any logical problem that can lead to losses while working on the live chart, we need to implement the print function in this EA. So for that, I will simply go to the Gemini, and I will say, okay, I will simply submit, and now the new logic will be implemented with the print function. And how this print function will help us to figure out the logical problems and to fix the logical problems. Let me read this plan to approve or maybe to make some changes. I will simply say just proceed, and that's it. It will proceed with the architecture B because it just already recommended the architecture B. Okay, so finally the code is completed. I will simply copy this code from here, copy code, go here, Control A, remove everything, Control V. I will style and then compile. And here in the code, you can see the TBL log is added, the level and the print. Everything is implemented. And now in the next upcoming classes, we will learn exactly how we can fix the logical problems in any code. In the next class, we will fix all these errors. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.